tonight. With every bite they grip so tight, arena vast of dirt and might. In the end, who claims the light?
Underneath the soil they march, ants in armor, fearless charge. Tiny titans in the fray, in their world they'll rule the day. Jaws and mighty legs, no retreat as courage begs. Tunnels shake with every clash, in the dark the sparks will flash.
And warriors rise and fight tonight, with every bite they grip so tight. Arena vast of dirt and might, in the end who claims the light? They stand in line, ready for the grand design. Tunnels deep and pathways wide, leading to the fight inside. Courage trembling in small forms, in the ground like thunderstorms. Shadows dancing in insect pride, in the war where ends collide. And warriors rise and fight tonight, with every bite they grip so tight. Arena vast of dirt and might, in the end who claims the light? In the end who claims the light? In the fray, in their world they will rule the day. Flashing jaws and mighty legs, no retreat as courage begs. Tunnels shake with every clash, in the dark the sparks will flash. And warriors rise and fight tonight, with every bite they grip so tight. Arena vast of dirt and light, in the end who claims the light? Soldier ants they stand in line, ready for the grand design. Tunnels deep and pathways wide, lead to the fight inside. Courage trembling in small forms, in the ground like thunderstorms. Shadows dance in insect pride, in the war where ends collide. And warriors rise and fight tonight, with every bite they grip so tight. Arena vast of dirt and might, in the end who claims the light? The warriors rise and fight tonight, with every bite they grip so tight. Arena vast of dirt and might, in the end who claims the light?
march, ants in armor, fearless charge. Tiny titans in the fray, in their world they'll rule the day. Jaws and mighty legs, no retreat as courage begs. Tunnels shake with every clash, in the dark the sparks will flash. And warriors rise and fight tonight, with every bite they grip so tight. Arena vast of dirt and might, in the end who waits for light. They stand in line, ready for the grand design. Tunnels deep and pathways wide, leading to the fight.